Hi, welcome to another ProClinicX video tutorial. In this tutorial today we're going to add treatment notes templates. We're in the settings part of ProClinicX. We're going to head over to treatment notes section. We're going to add a treatment note template. So we'll click here. We're going to head over and add a new template note. We need to give the template a name, so for this, add in info. We're going to add in a section, and we're just going to call this info 1. With our template system, we have different types. So we have a single line, we have a paragraph text, we have a single choice, we have multiple choices, we have a date picker, and we also have body charts. So in this tutorial, we're going to add in one of each of these sections, and we will then head over to a patient and we'll actually have a look at the end product of each of these different types that you can add to your own template note. So for this one, we're just going to add a single line, and we'll just type in text. We'll add in another question, and in this question we will have paragraph text, so just more text. We'll add in another question, and in here we will add a single choice. So as you can see, we have options here, and we'll add in option 1. We'll add in option 2, and then we'll add one more, option 3. So we will add another question here. So this one here will be a multi-choice question, multiple questions, and in here we're just going to add foot, hand, and leg. We'll add in another question. This one we're just going to have date. We'll select the date picker here, and we're going to add a body chart, but we're going to add another section for this. So we're going to have drawing, and in here we're going to add a body chart. We'll just call this body. So now that we've created one of each of our question types, we're just going to hit the add button. Now you can see that we've got a template called info. We have 2 sections and we have 6 questions in total. We can click this icon here and we can view. And as you can see, we've got our first section here, which has got a text. We have more text, we have options, multiple options, a date field, and then you can see that we've got another section here which is called drawing, and we have a question called body. One of the really great things about our template system is that you can select icon and click duplicate, and it will actually duplicate your existing template, and you can make modifications to this. So we're just going to add another question here. We're going to call this drawing 2. We'll add another body chart to this section called drawing. We will give it a new name and we'll call it info 2, and we'll click save. As you can see, now we've got 2 templates, one called info, one called info 2. We have 2 sections like our info template here, but now we've got 7 questions, and when we click here and view, we can see that it's added exactly the same questions at the top section, but we've added this extra drawing into our drawing section. So now we're going to head over to a patient and we'll see how this looks within the treatment notes of a specific patient. So we're going to click treatment notes, and in here we're going to add another treatment note for this particular patient. And in here we can select all the different templates that we've created. So when we select info, you can see that we've got multiple questions and we only have this one drawing question here. If we head back and add another template and we select info 2, we can see that we've got the 2 down here. So as you can see, this is just a single line of text, and here we have a paragraph type. So we're line 1, line 2, and so forth. Our options was what we added in here as far as option 1, 2, and 3. This is a drop down menu, and you can select as many drop down questions or options that you like. We'll just select option 3. Our multiple choice, we actually have the foot, hand, and leg, and you can select multiple sections within this type of question. Here we've got a date picker. We can select the date and add that in, and in our drawing we've got the ability to draw onto an actual image. As you can see here, we've got really nice clean images that you can use to draw whatever you're needing to within the treatment notes. For this, we're just going to select the left foot, and you can use these drawing tools to draw whatever or add text. We'll just add a quick text here, and we'll add text here, and we have added text to an actual image. This move tool here, you can select and move the text around. I have another tutorial on how all of these tools work, so please have a look at the drawing tools tutorial and you'll have some more information on how all of these tools work. So we're going to click save. And as you can see, it's added the image to our treatment note. Just quickly, you do have the ability to edit, so you can bring this back up into the drawing tool component and you can move the text around, click save, and this will update your treatment note, as you can see here. Well, thank you for taking the time to go through the treatment note templates. Look forward to hearing any of your feedback, and we'll see you in the next video.